I work with large-scale rope and textile and steel to think through painting histories. So much of this is about process and the devotion to material, sort of this obsessive ritualistic quality of the repetition of the work. The beginning and the end is really through the lens of landscape painting. The topographical nature of the work lends itself to that conversation. How can I make a cloud or a sense of shadow with rope? A material that's so itself, how do I transform that? Weaving, for me, it's like bricklaying. There's this industrial component that is very architectural. I've always been interested in why systems exist. A lot of questions around who's in power and why and what authority created the way in which we move. Also recognizing our bodies within urban space and how someone decided, however many years ago, how we would move through this built environment.